Welcome to the future of hydration. Introducing Stimuli H2O, a groundbreaking patent product that transforms ordinary water into highly alkaline, antioxidant, and microclustered water, which is packed with benefits for your health. This is made possible because of Midas, which is a patent alloy developed through extensive research inspired by healing and purifying qualities of Ganga River. Its formulation draws from the river's origin, which enriches its water with essential minerals and unparalleled benefits. This here is just a regular drinking water, but watch closely as we introduce Stimuli H2O. In just few minutes, this water will undergo an extraordinary transformation. So what makes Stimuli H2O so unique? Firstly is the alkaline water. It helps balance the acidity in your body, boosting metabolism and increasing energy levels. Secondly is the antioxidant water. It fights oxidative stress, helping to reduce free radicals and promote healthy aging. And lastly is the microclustered water. It enhances hydration, improving nutrition absorption, skin vitality, and overall well-being. Drinking Stimuli H2O water regularly can also provide lasting benefits like detoxification and toxin elimination, better digestion and nutrition absorption, elevated energy levels and mental clarity, and strengthened immune system with reduced risk of illness. Now imagine integrating this water into your daily routine. Just a few weeks of regular consumption can lead to clearer skin, better digestion, and significant boost in energy. It's not just water, it's an investment in your health. Let's dive deeper. We have two sets of cup here, one with regular water and one with Stimuli H2O. Let's run simple experiments to see how these waters compare. First up, let's check the pH levels. You will see that Stimuli H2O is significantly more alkaline compared to the regular water. This helps neutralize the acid in your bloodstream, which supports with better metabolism. Now let's measure the oxidation reduction potential or ORP. As you can see, the ORP levels of Stimuli H2O are much lower, indicating it's packed with antioxidants, helping to fight free radicals and reduce oxidative stress. Let's see the solubility of turmeric. Notice how the Stimuli H2O integrates the turmeric more effectively, demonstrating its superior absorption capabilities. Finally, we'll test the Stimuli H2O against regular water with cumene seeds. Watch how Stimuli H2O absorbs the cumene seeds more effectively, showcasing the power of microclustered water for better nutrition absorption. As you can see, the difference is clear. Stimuli H2O is more alkaline, antioxidant rich, and microclustered, making it a perfect choice for a healthier lifestyle. Investing in Stimuli H2O means investing in your health, with results you will start feeling in just few weeks and benefits that last a lifetime. So why wait? Visit our website and contact us today to learn more about Stimuli H2O and how it can transform your hydration routine. Cheers to the healthier, more vibrant you.